Hey everyone, in this very quick video I wanted to give you a crash course in the most important rules to keep in mind to pronounce Irish names correctly. So, rule number one, if you see an accent over a vowel like this, don't be intimidated. It just means it's elongated. For example, Tomás. Rule number two, in Irish the letter C is always pronounced like a K, even before an I or an E. For example, Ciarán. Rule number three, the letter S sounds like in English most of the time, but before an I or an E, it sounds like an SH, as in Sinead. Rule number four, some vowel combos make particular sounds that are unexpected, and the hardest one of those is AO, which makes the E sound as in Aoife. Rule number five, in some words, one or two of the vowels, when together, may not be pronounced. And I can't get into why right now, but at least you know the reason when you find out that the letters in red are silent in the names Ciara, Padraig and Oisín. And finally, rule number six, an H that appears after a T or an S will just sound like an H, as in Bláithín, and BH or MH sounds just like a V, as in Siobhan. And that's it. This list of rules is intentionally oversimplified, so watch this 5-minute video to see these and more explained in more detail. And click here for resources for learning the Irish language. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Slán!